How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Pico De Gallo. Super quick, super simple. So what you're going to need is tomato, cilantro, yellow onion, lime juice, salt. Alright, let's get started. So first you're going to want to start off with dicing a couple tomatoes. I normally try to dice them either between small or medium size, just out of personal preference. Make sure to leave the head centerpieces out, the root. And then next we're going to want to start off with some cilantro. I normally like to use about a quarter of the bunch of cilantro, and be sure to dice it up really small. And there's a little tomato piece in there. All right, next you're going to want to do some yellow onion. Yellow onion's preferable. I normally try to do about between like 2/3 of onion tomato ratio. So 2 onion, 3 tomato. Next we're going to want to squeeze in some lime juice. I would say for a smaller amount, use 1. If you are a slut for lime juice like I am, you can definitely throw in a second one. And then you're going to want to throw in some salt. Salt to taste. Everyone's got different preferences with saltiness. And then you're just going to want to shake that up. If you like to add a little kick, you can always add in some diced jalapenos. Or if you don't have any, chili powder works. And that's supposed to be a thumbs up because it's bomb. And that's how you make a really simple Pico De Gallo. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. Leave a like and a comment if you have any suggestions to improve it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.